Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to activate Buy Now, Pay Later on Amazon. This payment option through Affirm allows you to split your purchase into manageable installments, making it easier to buy what you need without paying the full amount upfront. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in so you can access all the checkout features we'll need for this tutorial. Next, navigate to the search bar at the top of the page. Here you'll want to type in the product you're looking for. Take your time browsing through the results that appear. Amazon will display a variety of options, so scroll through and click on the product that best fits what you're after. Once you've selected your product, you'll be taken to the product detail page. This is where you'll see all the information about your item. If the product has different variations, such as color or size, you'll need to select your preferred options. Look for the drop-down menus or selection buttons and choose what works best for you. This step is important because it ensures you're ordering exactly what you want. After you've made your selections, look to the right panel of the screen. Here you'll see the Buy Now button. Click on this button to proceed directly to checkout. This bypasses the shopping cart and takes you straight to the payment process, which is perfect for using Buy Now, Pay Later options. You'll now be prompted to select your delivery address. Choose the address where you want your order shipped. If you have multiple addresses saved, make sure you pick the correct one for this purchase. Now comes the crucial step for activating Buy Now, Pay Later. In the payment method section, you'll see several options. Look for Affirm in the list of available payment methods and select it. This is Amazon's integrated Buy Now, Pay Later service that allows you to finance your purchase. Once you've selected Affirm, you'll be asked to provide some information for an eligibility check. This is a real-time process where Affirm determines if you qualify for their payment plan. Fill in the requested details carefully. This step happens quickly, so you'll know right away if you're approved. After completing the eligibility check and getting approved, you're ready to finalize your purchase. Look for the Place Your Order button or whatever final confirmation button appears on your screen. Click it to complete your transaction. And that's it. You've successfully activated and used Buy Now, Pay Later on Amazon through Affirm. Your order will be processed and you'll receive confirmation of both your purchase and your payment plan details. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.